Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
I wash my car every weekend. I wash my car every weekend. I dry my car with a clean cloth. I dry my car with a clean cloth. I check the tires before I drive. I check the tires before I drive. I put air in the tires when they are flat. I put air in the tires when they are flat. I check the oil level in my car. I check the oil level in my car. I fill the car with petrol at the station. I fill the car with petrol at the station. I clean the inside of my car. I clean the inside of my car. I wipe the car windows with a cloth. I wipe the car windows with a cloth. I vacuum the car seats and floor. I vacuum the car seats and floor. I open the car hood to check the engine. I open the car hood to check the engine. I charge my car battery when it is low. I charge my car battery when it is low. I replace the old wiper blades on my car. I replace the old wiper blades on my car. I park my car carefully in the garage. I park my car carefully in the garage. I lock my car before I leave. I lock my car before I leave. I start my car engine every morning. I start my car engine every morning. I adjust my car mirrors before driving. I adjust my car mirrors before driving. I put on my seatbelt before I drive. I put on my seatbelt before I drive. I clean the car tires with a brush. I clean the car tires with a brush. I organize the tools in my garage. I organize the tools in my garage. I sweep the garage floor every week. I sweep the garage floor every week.